In this video, I'll show you how you can share your Canva design with a link. So what you need to do is go to Canva and you need to find the design that you want to share and then open it so you're in that design editor. Once you're here, go to share in the top right hand corner. And then what you can do, you can share this design with people, but if you want to generate the link for it, you can see here you've got collaboration link. You've also got view public link. So if you want people to be able to collaborate on the project, you can go ahead and generate a link here. And then anyone that has access via this link that you copy with these current settings can edit it. Now, if you don't want a collaboration link and you want a public view link, click on public view link. And this is a completely different thing, and this will allow the public to be able to view and interact with that project. So click public view link, then you can copy this link. Now, if you share this link with the public, it will then open up the project and allow them to interact with it, but not edit it. So I hope that video did help you out.